Hello there, people of the internet, people from the Daily Motion. So in today's video, you all might be just asking yourself, why must one service the chassis? So today in this video, I am going to be, so today's video, I am going to be servicing a Hiawatha chassis. Not that. This is what I mean by the Hiawatha chassis. Not Rivarossi Concours. I'm sorry, but are they even a thing? I don't know, beats me. So I got this weird looking dinosaur of a diesel engine for $1 million. Can you believe it? $1 million flippin' dollars. $1 was just extremely expensive for me, so I bought this at a train show for $1 million, and I was absolutely blown away by it. Now, I'm probably going to show you the performance of this thing first before I even tear it down and show you the 9-volt battery that's in this thing. So let's take it over to the track and we will see how it performs, shall we? Alright, I'm down onto the forest, and we'll put this this passenger car on first. There we go. I gotta make sure everything is on incorrectly, because if it's incorrectly, it will not perform very well. There we go. Well then, the track is disconnected, but that won't be a problem. It'll still perform amazingly anyway. Now let's get this egg cracking, shall we? And with Bluey as my assistant, she is going to be turning on the controller for me. Thank you, Bluey. And now with your assistant again, I am going to have you turn the controller up for me, like she just did. As you can see, this thing ain't doing a thing. I mean, it's doing Tokyo drifting. So as you can see, while it did some Tokyo drifting, it wasn't supposed to do that. And it's still doing that crappy looking Tokyo drive thing. It's doing that Tokyo drive thing. Louie, help me. You see what I mean? That Tokyo drifting was just horrible. So now we're going to get into this Ohio and Chesapeake Pacific. It's 646. Do the math here. So yeah, let me get these hot wires off. Right, now you got all the hot glue off from this dog. Now we can move on into getting the thing off. The thing off. Yeah. Oh, sleepy. Whoa. Just what am I doing? I don't like potato chips. Now we shall see what is inside this house. I give up. Okay, so once you've destroyed all the screws, you can now take the body off to reveal a 12-volt battery that is in this thingamajiggy, and I forgot what you add a dog to it. There you go. Wait, no, you don't. So we are going to fix this thing today. What the problem is, I don't know, but it keeps Tokyo drifting. So, if all goes wrong, it'll be written on my tombstone. So, if you guys follow along with me, that'll be great, but this will go extremely wrong. So, I hope it goes extremely wrong. So we are first going to lubricate this thingamajiggy right here by using a 1x3 Lego brick. And that has been lubricated so very well. Next we get onto the soldering bit by using this 1x12 Lego brick. And as you can see, it solders so well. Solders very well. And to put it all back together, we use this Lego Jason Voorhees minifigure. So as soon as I drop this thing on here, it should go back together nicely. And there we have it. The cheese train is now back together. That's what it says, right? Cheese? Now, unfortunately, the bad thing about servicing this cheese train was you've completely wasted all of your time to do that, because the reason why I said that is because every single time you service one of these things, they grow wings and they fly away. See? I'm flying. It is flying. It's flying. So thank y'all so much for watching me service this weird looking airplane now, since it's flying away. And I also just noticed that today is an extremely special day today. What is today? What is today? Oh, it's Chessie's birthday. Right. You never knew that Chessie's birthday is on April the 1st, eh? Well then, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. This thing lands at an airport. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you never.